I don't think you can see it, but over the horizon, it looks like the rain is gone. For now. There's a rain cloud a-coming. So we're going to see how many laps we can fit in before the rain hits us again and we go under another rain delay. And hopefully it's a quick shower if it does come hit us. So, without any further ado, we're trying to get the race done. Let's go. Also, subscribe to NASCAR Looney. I forgot last time, but I'm probably going to forget this time. So just search up his username or this YouTube name or whatever. And sub to him. It really means a lot to me and you're helping out the channel. So, go sub to him. Anyway. Green flag in the air. Looks like Little Wrangler 3 is going to lead us down to the green flag. Going around and coming off the turn 2 at Martinsville. And it looks like there's a wreck on lap 1 of returning. And it looks like, nope, and it looks like we're going down into the pits again. Well, since there's no more pictures, let's pause and go to a NASCAR Sunoco Cup Series Clash for Season 2. Let's go. Now, this video for some reason is marked as for kids. I don't know why. My videos now are not marked for kids anymore. So, YouTube, why were these videos marked for kids? Why, YouTube? Why would you do this to me? YouTube, I'm only trying to grow subscribers. Please, YouTube, stop it. Anyway, the bubble thing might be blocking it, but NASCAR Stop Motion Sunoco Clash event.
Hi guys, welcome to Daytona Beach for the Clash event. I'm having another I'm having another sick day. So excuse me if I go like that. Excuse me if I go like that because I'm having another sick day. So in a moment, we're going to meet your drivers in the starting lineup. Now, this is just a flyby of the field before we go to the starting lineup. Again, this is a flyby of the field.
We get it.
You can get to know your drivers. So, yeah. Starting lineup.
Shut up with your cringy butt.
Buddy, starting lineup, anybody?
No starting lineup. No starting. Okay, there we go.
So as the cars roll off, let's look at your starting lineup. So there's your unofficial pace car for the race.
Shut up.
Then in row 1, we have the number 6 and the number 2, Brad Keselowski. Then we have Martin Truex Jr. and Kyle Larson. Then we have Eric Almirola and the number 14 car, Clint Bowyer. Then we have William Byron and Alex Bowman. Then we have Kyle Busch and Kevin Harvick. Next up, we have Chase Elliott and the number 20 car.
God.
Next up, we have Joey Logano. His outside is Ryan Blaney. And in the next row, we have Austin Dillon. His outside is the number 48 car. And last row, we have number 1 and the number 11 of Denny Hamlin. As the cars are green.
And a little thing. Back then, I took little bits and pieces of NASCAR races, and I put them into a voiceover. And by the way, this is the same track I use now. It's just, the track now is in a worse state. Also, back then, I was much younger. I was a year younger than I am now. And I was a lot more cringy. And by the way, if you want to check this video out, it's in the playlists for Season 2. I'm probably going to delete the playlist for Season 2 because there was technically no Season 2 after that besides a couple races. But, you know, it's there in case you want to watch it.
The Clash event. And already we went 3 wide.
And if Cole Gazzo was the 6th back then, early on in Season 2, yeah.
Whole field of cars pushing Newman to the back of the field. Now, as Brad Keselowski has to keep a whole field of cars packed to himself.
Shut up, me a year ago. You didn't know anything about NASCAR back then. Actually, I did. I was just very cringy when I said stuff about NASCAR, so I didn't know stuff about NASCAR, but
Second or first
3 wide at Daytona. 4 wide at
Back.
Daytona, kinda.
William
Technically,
Byron's in the
kinda.
leader.
Oh, Brad Keselowski gets shuffled back.
Yeah,
That was Josiah.
No, William Byron thought it was time.
Wait, did that advance his position? Because I don't think I penalized him.
Of the race. Now we're back. William Byron's in the leader.
I don't think I penalized him if that gave him
As
positions.
far as
Oh no, he didn't make up
William
positions.
Byron
Okay,
thought it was time to
continue.
hit already. Was we had a car go off track. And now the Chevys come around and go into pit lane as the rest of the cars. And
Why
they just
did I
stay
not
on
throw a
pit road
caution for that?
As we have another lead change with
I was an
Logano.
idiot.
And there's the clash. There's the real clash event all over again.
And this is my most popular video, guys, so make sure to go check it out. Because I wanted to make this video like the real Clash event, so don't judge me, alright? We got a minute
As
left.
cars are going, let's look at a replay.
Okay, the Fords are pitting.
Okay, aggressive blockers put Kyle Busch into Brad Keselowski. Yep, that's never good. And we have another wreck right off the restart. So
That was kind of realistic.
now, as the 48's now your leader. Again, another lead change. Daytona's unforgiving. Anybody can win.
Yeah, Daytona's unforgiving. I believe you. Me, I believe myself.
And I think, oh, nope, there's Alex Bowman taking the lead as he gets trampled by Joe Logano and Kyle Busch. And Kyle Busch is your unofficial winner. We're getting word that Kyle Busch is your official leader.
Listen to this. This is so... What you're about to hear is so cringy. What you're about to hear is just like too cringy. It's cringe overload. Get the bleach. It's cringe overload.
He's the official leader at the time of the race. And these are all your cars.
Did you hear that? He was your official leader at the time of race end. It's too cringy. That's not even how you say he was your leader at the end of the race. It's not how you say it.
Kyle Busch wins the race, and his burnouts have already been done.
Stop it.
So, yep, and Chase Elliott. Next.
Yeah, you don't need to see that, though. But, you see, in a playlist. And as you see, there's 1, 2, and 3. Let's see what other videos I've uploaded. Diecast review, next custom. That's it. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.